Navigating the complex labyrinth of international customs can be a daunting task. Whether you're a new entrepreneur embarking on your first import venture or an experienced business person looking to streamline your processes, understanding customs clearance is pivotal. Let's get started. First, let's talk about HS codes and the importance of proper classification. A harmonized system code or HS code is a standardized numerical method of classifying traded products. It's important for several reasons. First, it allows you to accurately calculate duties. An incorrect classification could lead either to overpayment or underpayment. Second, it enables you to be compliant with regulations. Some products, for example, might be subject to import or export restrictions or might require specific permits. Knowing the correct HS code can help you identify such requirements. Finally, and most importantly, it helps you avoid penalties. You wouldn't want more fees to eat into your profit margins, so be aware of your HS codes. Next, let's talk about working with a customs broker. Here are some specific areas where a broker can help. Paperwork. A customs broker will handle all the necessary documents for you. Another area where a broker can help is classification. The broker will help classify your products correctly under the appropriate HS codes to ensure the correct calculation of duties and compliance with regulations. Customs communication. A broker will liaise with customs on your behalf. They have expertise in dealing with customs regulations and procedures, which can save you time and hassle. Duty payment. The broker can handle duty payment on your behalf, reducing the chances of errors. Next, let's talk about trade agreements. Most countries have trade agreements that could affect the duty rates applicable to your imports. For instance, under the North American Free Trade Agreement, or NAFTA, certain goods originating from Canada, the United States, and Mexico are subject to lower or zero duties. Being aware of such agreements can help you strategically source your products to minimize duties. There might be additional considerations or requirements for certain types of goods. Here are a few examples. Regulated goods. Certain products such as food, drugs, and certain types of machinery may be subject to specific regulations and might require additional permits or certificates. Quota goods. These goods are subject to import quotas, meaning there's a limit on how much of the product can be imported during a certain period. Restricted or prohibited goods. Certain goods may be restricted or prohibited for importation, such as safety, health, or environmental concerns. Finally, let's discuss customs inspection. Sometimes your shipment might be selected for a customs inspection, which could delay the release of your goods. Here are a few things to keep in mind. First, be prepared. Inspections can happen randomly, so it's essential to ensure that your paperwork is always in order and that you comply with all the regulations. Next, cooperate. If an inspection is required, cooperate fully with customs officials. This can help expedite the process. Finally, be honest. Any discrepancies found during an inspection can lead to penalties or seizure of goods. Remember, while clearing customs might seem complex, it's a manageable process. Being well prepared, knowing your obligations, and getting professional help when needed can make the process smoother and easier.